How do I check which version of Python is running my script? How do I check which version of the Python interpreter is running my script?
This information is available in the sys.version string in the sys module. Human readable. For further processing, use sys.version_info or sys.hex version. To ensure a script runs with a minimal version requirement of the Python interpreter, add this to your code. This compares major and minor version information. Add micro equals 0, 1, etc., and even release level equals alpha, final, etc., to the tuple as you like. Note, however, that it is almost always better to duck check if a certain feature is there, and if not, work around or bail out. Sometimes features go away in newer releases, being replaced by others.
Your best bet is probably something like so. Additionally, you can always wrap your imports in a simple try, which should catch syntax errors. And, to Adheki's point, this code will be compatible with much older versions of Python.
I like system.hex version for stuff like this.
From the command line, note the capital V. This is documented in ManPython. From Ipython console.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.